AI art. It's one of the most controversial topics at the moment, and I personally believe that everyone that's complaining about it are just big crybabies. Why? Because AI art is never going to be better than actual artists. It could never match the cognitive, creative skill of human beings. And AI artwork isn't even copyrightable. It's like this one picture of a monkey. No one owns this image because the monkey took it. Not a human. Now, I do understand why artists are so upset by AI art. You know, the average person would much rather ask AI to make them an image than an actual artist. That's because, you know, it's a way easier, it's way faster, and it's most often free and really funny, which is exactly what makes AI art so special and is exactly what I'm going to be exploiting today. Because in today's video, I'm going to make half of a drawing by hand, you know, with my mind and fingers, and the other half I'm just gonna let AI just do its thing. And at the end we'll I should have worded that better. And at the end we'll compare both sides, and we'll just see if artists could actually use AI as a resource rather than just looking at it as their enemy. So let's get right into it, baby. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut. Now, I don't really do these voiceovers often, but here's the color plan I'll be using for this drawing, and as always, I'll be using the highly overpriced Copic markers. Hello and welcome to my basement, or should I say my parents' basement. Want to see me hit a couple reps real quick? So basically, right now, we're going to be using AI to try and create the other side of this doodle. So let's just see what types of doodles we can come up with here. I'm fucking miserable. No way, people. No way artists are afraid of this shit. It's so bad. Oh! Maybe it can be useful. I mean, oh my god! Okay, focus. That is not an emoji, man! This AI does not want to do anything I tell it to do. Like, don't get me wrong, like, okay. But like, I don't care. That is not Mr. Krabs! Oh, he's kind of cute! Cartoon car drift. Oh, we're in. I have that Spider-Man one. Come on, that's not bad. Oh, look at that. Oh, dude, look at him. Oh my god, dude, Anyways, after many hours of long, hard work, days even, I had finally crafted my Mona Lisa, my piece de resistance, a true masterpiece. So here it is. It's made up of 2 pieces, and in case you're curious, here's all the images I used. So, could artists like myself use AI as a resource? Yes, I believe so. Is it worth it? Not at all, at least currently. AI is just not there yet, and it's far too inconsistent. However, if it keeps progressing as fast as it currently is, it'll probably just take all of our jobs. I'm just kidding. But also I'm not. It's definitely a possibility. AI is just so cool from one perspective and so terrifying from another, but only time is really gonna tell. Anyways, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it enjoyable. And as always, stay safe, stay positive, and peace. Now get this AI shit out of my face!
Oh yeah, Ekoluz is going. He's doing his montage. He really is growing. Spitting bars like I'm on Mars. Eating food, I'm in the mood.